Hi, I'm Chet. If I can do it, you can do it better. Stay humble, my friends. Well, on this one, I don't know. I wanted to start this channel by just doing what I thought and what maybe could help people. So it's probably going to be a variety of things. If you like the channel, subscribe, hit the thumbs up. But today we're going to talk about holy basil. Well, the reason why is because, well, I'm out of it. See, I get the basil. I started from seeds, and it's not sponsored, but I like to get them from Baker's Creek. If I can, I'll try to link everything and go from there. But this one's going to be a little bit different. I'm growing I'm growing the basil inside instead of outside. There's going to be, I don't know, a lot of different ways to do things, but this one I wanted to try. I did it with lettuce and it came out real good, so I'm going with the holy basil. So let me just turn the camera around and show you what's going on here. Basically, it's just a little hydroponic thing. It's got a little, I don't know if you can see it, level thing right down in there. It tells you how much water. Once a week I try to put in some fertilizer. I'll show you that in a second. But I'm trying to grow it in all these little pods. And then what I do is I pick the leaves and then I put them into jars. But as you can see, there's so many different varieties of basil that I didn't even know about, but they taste so good and they have some benefits for you. Like it can lower your blood pressure, it's good for inflammation, and it can lower cholesterol. So different herbs, different things, but today we're talking about the holy basil. Sorry, it's a little darker over here, but what I do is after I pluck the leaves or whatever, I just put them on plates, wait until they dry for a couple weeks, and put them in jars, and then pretty much make a tea. I'm all out of holy basil. Probably look better if I used holy basil, but today we're going to use lime basil because that's what I have. All I do is I take some leaves, put it in here, put a little honey in the cup. I'll show you, but it's kind of hard with one hand. Hang on a second. Different ways you can make a tea. I'm just going to use the Keurig. Alright, so basically hot water, let it sit for like 5 minutes or so, and enjoy. Cheers. This one's pretty good. It's got that like lemony, limeish kind of flavor. It's really good. I like the holy basil. Holy basil kind of tastes like a little bit of like, it's hard to describe, a little bit like kind of like bubble gumish. It's pretty cool. And another really good one is the cinnamon. Obviously that tastes like cinnamon. Yeah, but yeah, try mixing them with different ones and see what you come up with. But for today, we're just talking about the holy basil. So when that gets established, I'll show you more. The other ones I pretty much grew outside, but I grew lettuce in here. Seemed to be pretty good, so I'm just trying the holy basil. I'm sure it'll turn out fine in here. Alright, until next time.